Are you looking to upgrade your old and outdated baseboard covers? Vail Baseboard Covers offers a range of solutions to fit your needs. In this video, we'll show you the difference between our 4 models. The Atlas cover is our top-of-the-line model, made with heavy-duty aluminum and designed for whole home retrofits. Atlas offers a full range of lengths and accessories for all situations. Its unique top-facing perforated vents have been engineered to ensure maximum heat circulation, making your rooms warm and cozy. The Titan cover mirrors all the options and high quality as the Atlas covers, but has a rounded, softer aesthetic. Beyond its stylish looks, the Titan is also perfect for nurseries, daycares, and healthcare applications due to its rounded, safe edges. It's also made with durable aluminum and has the same top-facing perforated design as the Atlas model for optimal heat distribution. The Demi baseboard heater cover features a squared edge along the top and bottom and a textured satin white finish. With the venting perforation along the front and slightly more depth, Demi offers flexibility for use with both hot water and electric baseboards. The Demi all-aluminum cover is an affordable option for most situations and perfect for rental units, basements, or commercial applications. The Echo is our entry-level cover and the most affordable metal baseboard cover. With just 2 panel lengths, you can make any length you desire. Mix and match our 2-foot and 3-foot sections for an amazing result. Echo is designed so that each panel overlaps the other and no coupler or joiner piece is required. Hands down the best choice for those on a budget or those looking for a quick baseboard cover replacement solution. Ready to order? Visit our website today for modern and beautiful baseboard covers.